What does the engine check light mean? When the engine check light illuminates on your dashboard, it's your car's way of signaling that something isn't functioning as it should. While it might feel alarming, this warning light can indicate a variety of issues, some minor and others more serious. Ignoring the engine check light can lead to costly repairs down the road, so it's important to act promptly. Common causes of the engine check light: loose or faulty gas cap. A simple issue, like a loose gas cap, can disrupt the pressure in the fuel system and trigger the light. Solution: tighten the gas cap or replace it if damaged. Oxygen sensor failure. The oxygen sensor monitors the air-fuel mixture in the engine. A malfunction can reduce fuel efficiency and harm the catalytic converter. Solution: replace the oxygen sensor. Catalytic converter problems. The catalytic converter reduces harmful emissions. If it's failing, you may notice reduced engine performance or increased emissions. Solution: repair or replace the catalytic converter. Spark plug or ignition coil issues. Faulty spark plugs or coils can cause misfires, rough idling, or even stalling. Solution: replace spark plugs, ignition coils, or both. Mass airflow sensor malfunction. This sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. A failure can lead to poor fuel economy and performance issues. Solution: clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Battery or alternator issues. Electrical problems such as a failing alternator or a weak battery can also trigger the engine check light. Solution: test and replace the battery or alternator as needed. What to do when the engine check light appears? Assess the situation. If the light is steady, it's a less urgent issue. However, if the light is flashing, it indicates a serious problem, like an engine misfire, and you should stop driving immediately. Check for simple fixes. Start with easy checks, such as ensuring the gas cap is secure. Use an OBDI scanner. A diagnostic scanner can read the fault codes stored in the car system, giving you insights into the specific problem. Monitor performance. If the car feels sluggish, makes unusual noises, or has trouble starting, it's time to visit a mechanic. Seek professional assistance. If you're unsure of the issue or don't have the tools to diagnose it, take your car to a qualified technician. Why you shouldn't ignore the engine check light. Ignoring the engine check light can lead to increased fuel consumption, damage to vital components like the catalytic converter, costly repairs, safety risks while driving. Addressing the engine check light early can save you time, money, and stress. Whether it's a minor issue or a more significant one, taking swift action ensures your vehicle stays reliable and efficient.